You know, let's continue with the IPO bonanza because LG Electronics, the first consumer durable company to file for an IPO in almost 25 years, has already started with its IPO on 7th of October. We are getting in some perspective of what's been the company's strengths and weaknesses, as well as the key subscription status of that. And for that, I'm being joined by Mahima. Mahima, very good morning to you. Thanks so much for joining in. Give us some perspective of this, giant of an IPO.
Right, good morning, Puneet. So, yes, for sure, giant of an IPO completely offer for sale is what we know. But overall subscription as of 7 p.m. yesterday, total subscription stands at around 3.3 times. The QIB is around 2.6 times. Largely led by the NIs, which is at 7.6 times. Retail still at 1.9 times, so still yet to cross that 2 times mark. And employee is right now subscribed at around 4.1 times. Now, just to give viewers a brief about the SWOT analysis of the company, because today is the last day to subscribe for the IPO as well. In terms of strength, it has a strong brand presence and a parent backing as well. There's diverse product portfolio overall that they have. Pan-India distribution service network, which is at a very strong footing. There's market leadership also in a lot of categories for this counter as well. In terms of weakness, of course, there's a tax litigation, but the management has come out and clarified that generally these tax litigations are in the favor of the company and they end up not paying anything. But still, a tax litigation of over 4,700 crore is there, and plus there's cash balance also enough to repay it just in case if something goes south. There's royalty obligations, of course, that they pay to the parent, which is around 1.9% of their overall revenue, which is around 455 crore in FY25. In terms of opportunities, of course, penetration in this entire segment is very high going forward. In terms of expansion of product lines and adjacencies categories, that scope is also very high. So that is the opportunities where the company can tap into. And lastly, in terms of threats, of course, because the growth is at a higher end in the consumer durable space, there's also a lot of competition coming in, and there's technology disruption and obsolescence threats that the company could face. So this is the overall SWOT analysis, and of course, what the subscription numbers are telling for something like an LG Electronics.
Well, thanks so much for that, Mahima.